How to close an Ali Bank account online from desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you thinking of closing your Ali Bank account? Well, here is how to do it safely online from desktop. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, then you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Ali Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Ali Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from the account dashboard, you simply have to select the account you want to close like checkings, savings or money market. And there you can just click on account settings or profile and then you simply have to look for the option close account. And there you just have to review any remaining balance and transfer it to another bank account before proceeding. And after that, you just have to follow the prompts and confirm your decision. And once you're done with it, simply submit the closure request securely. And after some time, you'll receive a confirmation message or email once the account is successfully closed. And that's it. That's how you can close an Ali Bank account online from the desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.